Hello guys, welcome back. I'm outside trying to just stroll around my neighborhood to find out what is going on on the street. So right now I'm in a complex, one of the biggest shopping mall in my neighborhood, and this place is a very nice place for content creating, and some youths normally come around there to shoot their content. So I just want to find out the platforms that they use often on the internet, because I definitely know that they make videos most of the time. Some of them should take pictures, so I want to know which platform is their favorite. Is it YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, or Facebook? So I'll be going around there. Some of them making their moves and whatever thing they are doing. So join me as I just explore to know what is going on my streets. So I met a group that I just asked. I'm about to to make some interview with them, and it's like a good number of them here don't know much about YouTube. They are mostly interested in TikTok. So I'll be talking with a particular group here that I've seen. They're just putting things together, and they came all the way from some kilometers away from this place. So I just want to interview some of them. Yes, why do you prefer YouTube? TikTok and Instagram. Why do you prefer them to other platforms?
It's easier to get more followers and likes there. I feel so.
Okay, you just want to get followers
First and likes.
and likes.
Okay.
You have not heard of YouTube paying people?
No.
So know that when you upload your content on YouTube, when you reach the monetization threshold, you can start earning in dollars. Okay. So I tried to discuss with some of the creators I've seen around here, and to my greatest surprise, some of them don't know about YouTube. They are all focused on TikTok. And what I noticed was that they were all about the followers, the likes, and all that.
Yeah. Sing up. That's right. That's right. Yeah. Let them know.
I use Instagram and TikTok.
Why Instagram and TikTok? Why not on Twitter, YouTube, and others?
I think for Instagram, you can get much attention, like you get audience,
Followers.
and on a Facebook too. And even if you want to promote, Facebook and Instagram and WhatsApp, they are
brother. They are from
same company. So you can also do a promotion through your Instagram, Facebook, and all that. You can run promotion all together to your listing. But Twitter, I don't know much about here. But if you want to gain followers, you want to gain a fast listing, use Facebook and Instagram. They give you that chance to post. I know there are other platforms there, but the one that you are related
You know very well. Okay. Do you know anything about YouTube?
Yeah, I'm a YouTube manager.
Okay, YouTube manager.
Yes,
So
I've managed YouTube that got from 0 subscribers to 10,000 subscribers.
wow.
So I'm a YouTube manager. I've done it for more than 5 years now.
Then why are you not uploading on
I'm also uploading
on YouTube?
yes.
Okay, because you were just emphasizing
No, they are mainly. I have many platforms now. YouTube is also one of the platforms that.
So what's your experience with YouTube? How do you
It's a nice platform now. I think I've made money from YouTube. I know it's
have you made money on TikTok and
I'm also building it. But when it comes to YouTube, I've used my channel to
Okay.
generate.
So what you mean is that when it comes in terms of making money, YouTube will pay more.
YouTube pay more. But Facebook is trying now. But to get to the threshold is very, I think it's very hard. Like But you have to put in on work now.
Okay. So I eventually helped the young lady to set up a YouTube channel on her phone, and also asked her to follow me and send a DM on Instagram, which she quickly did. And based on that, I'll be giving her some basic fundamental guide on how to run her YouTube channel, of which I know that will help her to understand the platform very well, and also fasten her channel's growth. So now, talking about the Facebook monetization, I was surprised that the young man said that Facebook is improving in their payment of their monetization program. So I don't know much about the Facebook monetization program. If you have any idea, and if you know if they are paying well, as much as YouTube, please, you can let us know in the comment section if you have an idea. Now, it surprises me that many are chasing after views, likes, follows, and subscriber, or whatever any platform calls it. So, but I believe that as a content creator, you need to see your content creating as a long-term project. So what will it gain you that you get hundreds of thousands of followers, get millions of views, but at the end of the day, it doesn't reflect, materially, either financially or being rewarding to the people that are following you. So we need to always, put our priority right in terms of creating content. We shouldn't be chasing after the vanity metrics, because at the end of the day, you are just being just satisfy your desire, but not what you need or what you actually want. So let me know in the comment section how did this interview went, because to me, I didn't perform very well. It was an impromptu something, but I just say I should give it a try. So rate this interview, this street interview, rate me on how I did well. But please, guys, be fair with me. I know I didn't perform very well, but be fair with your ratings. And I'll be uploading a video sooner, immediately after this video, sharing with you about a video that I uploaded recently that got over 25,000 views after 2 weeks of uploading it. I'm going to share the story behind that video, so that I think some of us that are new here, we can learn one or two things from how this YouTube platform works. So if you're enjoying this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you're new here and you want to get the update on the new video I'm going to upload, hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification, and don't forget, there's love in sharing. You can also share this video. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.